Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update Windows to the latest cumulative build and sign into your Microsoft account so licensing and app associations resolve. Once done, open services and verify Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service are running. Restart them if stopped. Then run an elevated PowerShell to re-register the store app. This fixes corrupted package links. Make sure to note any error codes shown by PowerShell so you can address specific dependency failures next. Now you repair package integrity. Run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch replacement components, and follow with sfc/scano to repair protected system files. Once those complete, use elevated PowerShell to list apps packages, remove problematic store or dependency packages, and reinstall the Microsoft Store package. This reestablishes proper package manifests and dependency trees. Make sure to rerun repairs if commands report pending operations. Finish by resetting the Store app from settings right arrow apps right arrow Microsoft Store right arrow reset to clear app data and cached manifests. Then reboot Windows, run Windows Update to install any remaining fixes, and open the store to test dependency checks. If the store still reports dependency failures, capture the exact error code and consult event logs for app service entries. That lets you target missing runtimes or package version mismatches. One key tip: if errors persist, create a new local admin user and test there to isolate profile corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.